Hey G12, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool Miss right here, and basically what this is a loofah. It's not like a regular loofah. This one in particular actually gives you guys a stick that's attached onto the loofah. So that actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to use the product, especially for your back. Because when you guys use a regular loofah, if you guys try to clean yourself, it won't reach as far because your hand can only go so far like this. Whereas if you guys get one of these right here, you guys can reach all the way down on your back where you guys can't reach with your hands. So you can see this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually take it out and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what's included inside. So they give you guys a separate loofah to use right here, and they give you guys an actual loofah right here with the actual stick, which is pretty awesome. If you can see right here, literally just being held by a string, and you guys can see inside right there. So maybe it is replaceable if you guys want to use a different color. But in terms of the stick that's provided for you guys right here, if you guys can see, it's definitely a high quality material. They literally thought about everything about the product, where they give you guys a very good grip when you guys actually use it like this. You just rub around your back like this if you guys need to. And then for this part right here, you guys actually have the option for you guys to hang on to your wall hanger or whatever if you guys want to. Otherwise, you can just put it somewhere else. But in terms of the wood material here, it definitely feels like a high quality wood as well. You can see, super durable. But obviously the way how you guys use one of these is very simple and literally works the same way as using a regular loofah. Only thing that's different is adding this stick part right here. So that actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to reach certain part of your back where you cannot reach. So for those guys who never use a loofah or don't know how to use it, let me actually bring the loofah over and show you guys how to use it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. So what you guys want to do first is put some water on here, and then you guys can use your soap or the body wash, which is what we're going to use right here. So I'm actually put some water on here first. So right now when I'm getting it wet, I can definitely feel the material on here is pretty high quality. So we got some water on here now. So what we want to do is add some soap. So all we need to do is just do one squirt. So just like this. So once we use it on the skin or body or whatever, just like this. A lot of foam is starting to happen already, but that's not all. It'll keep going. But when we rub it throughout the loofah or the sponge, you can see that a lot of the foam starts to happen or starts to build up. And when you guys feel the material on the loofah is really high quality. Out of all the loofahs I tried so far, this is probably one of the best ones. It feels super durable and see I produce a lot of foam on here. So once you guys got the foam all set up, you can start scrubbing onto your skin or your body as well. You can see how much foam is on here. And then when you guys are ready to clean it, just turn on the water and rinse it off. Alright. So that should be good. So what you guys want to do now is to just hang it on somewhere and let it air dry. And once I finish rinsing it, I just want to hang it right here. So just like that. Or if you guys have somewhere else to hang it, you can definitely hang it wherever you guys want to. But that's basically how you guys use the product. You can see, pretty easy to use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product. Definitely see that actually does work. It actually works quite well. Definitely super easy to use. I couldn't show you guys the actual test of the product because I don't want to show my body when I actually use it. But you can see from the test in terms of how to use the loofah is very easy. All you can do is put some water and then put some soap onto it, and then you can just kind of squeeze it together to create a lot more foam and just start using it throughout your body. And then we guys use the loofah option with the little stick that I just showed you guys. That is especially useful, like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to reach your back, so where you guys can't reach with your hand. Like if I use my hand, this is how far I can go. And then I can't reach the back part where it's the middle part right there. So that's where one of these sticks come in handy. So actually you can reach really deep into your back, like lower back or upper back or middle back or whatever, where your hand cannot reach because you guys can only go so far. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to become unboxing and testing our product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are looking for some way to clean your back area, like I mentioned, if you guys can't use your hand to clean it, then you definitely want to get one of these loofah sticks so that way you can actually reach certain part of your back, whereas certain area you cannot reach with your hand. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.